Today we have an action-packed video for you. The Enjoy Illinois 300 at the World Wide Technology Raceway was filled with unexpected twists and turns, earning the description of chaos for many. From internet outages to brake rotor failures and drivers colliding, it was an eventful race that kept us on the edge of our seats. Stick around as we delve into the thrilling highlights and the unfortunate incidents that occurred during this dramatic race. The Enjoy Illinois 300 certainly lived up to its name, as chaos took center stage. With 3 red flags and numerous cautions, it was a race filled with unexpected moments. Unfortunately, 2311 racing drivers Bubba Wallace and Reddick had an embarrassing and dangerous ending to their day. But amidst the turmoil, Childress Racing's Busch managed to clinch the victory, showcasing his skill and resilience. One of the major challenges faced by several drivers, including Wallace and Reddick, was brake rotor failures. This issue led to some serious crashes, like the one experienced by Gragson, who suffered concussion-like symptoms. It's a situation no driver wants to find themselves in, but Bubba Wallace shared an interesting strategy he employed to minimize the impact.
But once I felt our brakes go out at the start-finish line, I knew to turn right and ride the wall. The only bad thing is where the wall kind of kicks out on entry into one, so it kicks you out, and so then your harder impact comes from the second one.
Amidst the chaos, NASCAR has been working on new changes to improve driver safety. Bubba Wallace shared his thoughts on these proposed changes and how they are moving in the right direction. Safety is of paramount importance, and the recent incidents, such as the Kyle Larson and Ryan Preece crash at Talladega, have highlighted the need for improvements. The impacts are still pretty harsh.
Their big data point was the Larson and Preece crash at Talladega, and the bars protruding through, and I think, from the videos that I've seen and the studies that we've seen, that's not happening, so that's a step in the right direction. So we're still working on like the slow speed impacts where they feel like they're high speed impacts. That's the tough thing, but we got to keep moving the needle, but keep trying to be as safe as possible.
As we wrap up this report, it's important to note that safety is a top priority for NASCAR. While the Enjoy Illinois 300 showcased some dangerous moments, it also highlighted the resilience of these drivers. Unfortunately, due to the concussion-like symptoms experienced after the race, Gragson won't be participating in the upcoming race at Sonoma. And there you have it, folks. The Illinois 300 provided us with the exhilarating racing moments and unforeseen challenges. As fans, we appreciate the dedication and bravery of these drivers who push the limits on the track. Stay tuned for more exciting updates from the world of racing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all the latest action. Until next time, drive safe and enjoy the ride.